What if I told you your Galaxy phone just got noticeably faster overnight? No new hardware, no tricks, just smoother vibes everywhere. On February 9th, Samsung began rolling out One UI 8.5 Beta 4, and this update is all about speed and smoothness. The biggest win here is a faster, more fluid One UI Home, which replaces the launcher version that came with Beta 3. Spotted by reliable tipster Tarun Vats, Galaxy S25 users are automatically getting this new One UI Home bundled with the Beta 4 update. No manual updates, no extra steps. Samsung's changelog mainly talks about bug fixes and performance improvements, but there's more under the hood. Beta 4 also introduces direct voicemail, enhanced with Galaxy AI, making missed calls smarter and more convenient. But the real magic happens when you start using the phone. Animations feel smoother, gestures respond quicker, and the whole home screen experience just feels lighter and faster. For those who don't know, One UI Home is the backbone of your Galaxy's home screen. Everything from app icons and widgets to folders, gestures, and animations depends on it. While this app sometimes gets updates via the Galaxy Store, Samsung is now pushing a refined version directly through the beta program to fine-tune the overall user experience. If you're already enrolled in the One UI 8.5 beta, make sure you check for updates and install Beta 4. You'll feel the difference instantly. And if you're not part of the beta yet, don't worry. The stable One UI 8.5 update is expected to start rolling out by March, so the wait won't be long. If you love smooth animations, faster performance, and staying ahead of the curve, hit like, smash subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because I'm covering every One UI update, hidden change, and Galaxy feature before anyone else.